Hey traders, what's going on? This is the hate, and then I'm very pumped about today's the particular thing I want to share with you guys today, because I know many of you are suffering from this, and I want to give you the particular antidotes to what you're suffering from. So all right, so if you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and then follow this particular page. Go to my Telegram, the link is in bio if you want to get some updates from me and as well as from my team, and then you also want to take some free trades. Go ahead and click the link in my bio in the description below, and then I can't wait to see you guys in the inner circle. But let's go straight into what I have today. Today I want to talk about psychology. I want to talk about psychology. I want to talk about trading psychology. What mindset should you have as a trader? What should you be thinking of as a trader when you're coming into the market and when you're exiting the market? What should you do whenever you make money, whenever you make a loss, and so on and so forth? This is a very long topic, but I'm going to break it down into just 5 parts. Just 5. Okay. Number one, you want to accept whatever comes out of the market. Acceptance is a very hard part of forex trading. You have to be able to accept the losses. You have to be able to accept whatever profit you close your trade at. Number two is you want to know that the market don't owe you shit. It doesn't owe you anything. The market don't owe you any fucking thing. You are there to make profit of it, and then you should keep it that way. Don't let it take anything from you. Anyways, let's go to the next one. The third one is coming with a mindset that you are actually doing what is right. Now, when you are doing what is right, it builds your confidence. Okay, when you're doing what is right, it actually does what? It actually builds your confidence. So first and first is understanding that you are coming to the market with the mindset that the market don't owe you anything. You are actually in here for a transactional business. You place a risk, then it also does what? It also does whatever it wants to do, regardless of what your directional bias is, or whatever your analysis is, or whatever your position says, or whatever the lot size is. All those things doesn't concern the market. No matter how you want to pray, no matter how hard you want to pray, the market does not send anybody. It will actually do what it wants to do. So all you have to do is make sure you're in the right path, as well as make sure you know why you are coming to the market. Now, another thing which will bring me to this particular another thing I'll be talking about is knowing your why. Why are you even trading? That's the very first thing that comes to your mind whenever you're talking to someone, and somebody like, okay, I'm a trader, and you be like, okay, why are you trading? Do you understand? Why are you trading? Are you trading for yourself? Are you trading to just make money? Are you trading to gamble? Or you're trading to actually see that you are right about certain price movement or price actions in the market? Now, there are different reasons why people trade. People trade just for the money. People trade for so on and so forth. People trade for people. And people like me, I trade because I love this game. I fucking love this game. That's why I have a community. So I love this game, guys. So if you don't know your why, you are missing out on what's possible. So just to cut the long story short, all you have to do to be able to maintain a right psychological game in forex is you want to stay calm. Okay, approach the markets like it's every other business. Also know that the market does not owe you anything. You are there to make something from it, as well as also put risk management in place. Whatever account you have, risk only 2% of that account per trade. Don't over leverage. Don't do a whole lot of nonsense on the chart, guys. Don't do all those things. Those things can't bring the money you need. You only have to be disciplined. You have to risk only 2% of your account per trade, and then that way you will not have a psychological issue with trading. Now, the most of the psychological issue most people have is because they are scared of losing their money. And in this skill set, I'm going to announce to you that you're going to lose your money. You are going to lose it, but be comfortable with the losses. Because of course, if you're doing what is right, if you've been following what I've been teaching you, you will be able to make profit consistently, despite the fact that you lost or that you will lose. Does that make sense? So you want to be able to know that losses are part of the game, and then regardless of whatever happens in the market, the market does not owe you an explanation to why it does it. So you just have to be able to have a system that can be placed in the market and that can be repeated. Okay, you just have the system like I have taught you, this the particular trend line, previous day high, previous day low, all those things that I've taught you. You just want to come into the chat, implement them, apply them consistently, trust them, let them play out, leave them. Don't cancel your trade if the target is not met. Do you understand? If your target is to get 1:2, leaving everyone to 1:2. If your target is 1:5, let it run to 1:5. If your target is an exhaustion point, trust it, let it play out. Okay, rather than you rushing and closing out your trades in a haste. Okay, so if you're able to do this for a month, okay, you're able to repeat same thing regardless of the loss or the profit. Trust me, you are building a strong psychological reaction or action to this particular chart, so which is very important. And then as a trader, nothing beats your confidence. I am telling you this again, nothing beats your confidence. This is raw fact, this is unfiltered shit, guys. All you have to do is be confident about the trade and watch it play out. That's all. Be confident about the trade and watch it play out. Know that you've done your due diligence by analyzing this chart properly the way I have explained to you. And trust me, I can't wait to see the type of traders that we have in this YouTube channel in the next couple of years. So if you are actually doing what I tell you to do, you will be profitable. You will make money. Just like I'm making money, man. You will make money. I've taken 2 trades on gold this week, and I tell you that all this trade it's take profit, and I've been able to make $6,000 off it. That's just it. And then it is simple. All I did was what? Mark the previous day high, mark the previous day low, repeat same thing every day. If I don't see an opportunity, if I don't see my Quasimodo pattern or my other confirmations, I don't take the trade. So you also have to have that. You also have to come in the market with discipline. You also have to know that this market does not owe you shit. You are yet to make money. Do you understand? So you have to take it as a business, treat it serious, and then you come back and thank me for giving you this advice. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and then I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Peace.